In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a sticky header to any Shopify 2.0 theme. First, you'll want to open your Shopify admin and head over to the online store area. From there, go to Themes and locate the theme you currently have published. Click the Customize button next to that active theme to launch the theme editor. This is the place where you can make visual and behavioral changes to your storefront without editing any code, and it's the safest way to try out layout options quickly. Once the theme editor is open, look at the left-hand sidebar for the header section. Depending on your theme, the label might be slightly different, but it will typically say Header or Navigation. Click that section to reveal the header controls. This is where the settings for your logo, menu arrangement, and sticky behavior live. Take a quick moment to familiarize yourself with the controls here, so you know where to return if you want to tweak anything later. Now find the setting related to a sticky header. It may be called sticky header, desktop menu type, or something similar. Many themes offer a few preset behaviors. The options you might see include Always, which keeps the header fixed to the top of the screen at all times. On Scroll Up, which hides the header when users scroll down to maximize screen space, and then brings it back when they scroll up. And Always and Reduce Logo Size, which keeps the header fixed but scales down the logo so it takes up less vertical room. Choose the behavior that best fits your store's design and customer experience goals. For example, if your catalog relies on visual browsing, On Scroll Up can give customers more room to view product images, while Always may be best if you want persistent access to the cart or search. After selecting the option you want, it's important to save your work. Click the Save button in the theme editor to apply the change to your live theme settings. I recommend previewing the storefront immediately after saving. Refresh the storefront, then scroll up and down to verify the header behaves as expected. Test on both desktop and mobile devices, because some themes only apply sticky behavior to desktop by default. If you notice any issues like the header overlapping page content, you can usually adjust section spacing in the theme editor or consult your theme's documentation for specific layout tweaks. And if your theme doesn't include a sticky header option, check its settings for related menu types or reach out to the theme developer for guidance. That's all it takes to enable a sticky header in Shopify 2.0. Quick, simple, and effective for improving navigation and user experience.